It was life-changing education.
It was awesome. I learned so much.
So good, so inspiring.
It was amazing, very inspiring.
It was amazing. I had a great time.
It was the best educational experience I think I've ever had.
Just the lived-in techniques and learning how to give clients the best grow out possible.
The horizontal undercut and the vertical undercut.
Getting instant feedback and getting to know what I needed to improve on.
Type of layering that he teaches to get the movement no matter how your hair is.
All of it. I would take the whole thing again, honestly. It's worth every penny.
I loved that we could do undercuts on long legs.
Everything about it, the way it flows.
The deep point cutting.
The horizontal and vertical layer. Marcel iron. I'm gonna go and buy one of those.
Proper and effective point cutting.
It's the longer hair. I didn't realize that I could create more movement by undercutting. I love how intimate it is. It was a really small class size, and getting to work hands-on with the educators was really great.
This one just had a lot more involvement and hands-on.
Definitely the modules taught us something. We did it on the mannequin. That was awesome. He talked to each of us a lot, not just as a class.
Like he'll demonstrate and then we go and try that first and then you go back, and I like that because it's easier to absorb.
He's kind and humble.
It's just the way he sees things and the way the hair flows and everything about it. It's just like life-changing.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Definitely yes.
Absolutely, 100%.
Yes, definitely.
For sure, for sure.
Stylists that work with modern techniques, that like the lived-in type of look.
Someone looking to expand their books and maybe be a little more in the modern sort of haircutting.
If you're a hair student and you're contemplating like I was, definitely just take it.
Somebody a little bit, not necessarily advanced, but somebody who's been doing hair for a little while and has a little bit of like experience with cutting and styling.
Anybody and everybody, because you could use it and apply it with everything, really. It's not like this will only suit this type, it's for everybody.
Anybody that really likes cutting it should take it because it's just to a next level.